hope you're having a wonderful morning.
Well, that didn't work out very well. So I hope you're having a great morning, and let's go ahead and share my screen. I'm here. Okay, so, and that's not what you want to look at either. Okay, so here we go. We are in week number 4, and this is unit 2. Unit 2 is more about the scene size up and primary assessment and secondary assessment, and kind of going into paperwork and how you come upon a scene, how you figure out what to do next, talking about scene safety, those kinds of things. Okay, so 6 and 7. Chapter 6 is about the scene size up itself. Chapter 7 is about your primary assessment. So you're going to go through the overviews and outcomes. We'll talk about what you should hopefully learn by the end of the chapter and some skills that you should know. And then reading chapter 6 and 7, which I hope reading hasn't been too much of a burden for you. Again, kind of follow some of the note taking or the information taking in sort of tips there, reading backwards, looking at bold words, reading under the pictures, those kinds of things. So make sure you're doing that. The video today, or I'm sorry, this week is performing a primary assessment. So how to go through that. And then we'll have a discussion about a primary assessment of a situation. And then we'll do chapter 6 and 7 of your question and answer assignment. And if you look in the announcements from, I believe it was like Tuesday or Wednesday, one of your classmates shared a website that allows you to type in answers right into a PDF. If you didn't already have the ability to do so, you could go to that site and then take the PDF in and then go ahead and type right in the PDF itself. So it might make things a little bit easier for you. For me, whatever works for you works for me. So I don't mind if you handwrite them, if you take a photo of them, whatever you need to do to get through the assignment is great. And just make sure you're hanging on to all that workbook work that you're doing. I make corrections on your submissions. So go back and make those corrections on what you've done, because that way you can study from those things in order to be ready for the exams. All right, and then we'll have a weekly wrap up. And then as always, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you get back to me on those. Reach out anytime, use Remind, email, come to an office hour, whatever you need to do. But I'll be happy to help you and make sure I clarify anything that needs clarification. All right, so I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I know it's St. Patrick's Day on Wednesday, so just be safe out there, make good choices, which is something I tell to my own children, but just make good choices. All right, take care and have a good one.